Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your email on BandLab Make Music online website. So when you create your account, then you have to give your email, or if you create your account through Apple ID or Facebook, and if you want to add your Gmail or email ID on your BandLab, then you can easily do this thing. So how can you do this? So you can see it's called profile icon, this one. Simply click on this and then click the view profile. Also come this your profile page. So what you need to do, you need to click here the pencil icon and click the account option, the second one, and scroll down. Then here you'll see it's your email, so your email address. So if you want to change this email, then you have to remove this email address first, and then you have to give your email here and confirm it, and then click the update, and then your email ID will be changed. So this way you can change your email address on BandLab accounts. Okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.